In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace Enterprise Organization Dashboard. First, head to the Squarespace account dashboard by visiting the main account page and signing in. Once you're in, click Dashboard to open the organization view. Think of this as mission control for your enterprise account. From here, you'll see high-level cards and tables that pull together your sites, people, domains, and key administrative actions in one place. Next, open the Domains area. This is where you can review the domains connected to your organization. It's helpful for quick checks on renewals, ownership, and which projects a domain is tied to. If your role involves governance or compliance, make it a habit to glance here regularly to ensure everything's aligned with your internal naming and renewal policies. Now, jump into Circle. Circle is Squarespace's professional community experience for creators and agencies. From your organization context, it's a convenient shortcut to best practices, updates, and perks. While it's not strictly an admin panel, staying plugged into Circle helps you anticipate platform changes that might affect your team or clients. Return to the dashboard. You'll notice multiple cards with view buttons. Use these to drill down into the details you care about. For example, click View on your sites to see a list you can manage at scale. Click View on other cards to scan activity or narrow in on specific areas without leaving the organization workspace. Moving through these views is the fastest way to go from overview to action. Inside your sites list, the table can be organized by different columns. Click Name to sort alphabetically, which is perfect when your internal naming convention groups projects by client or department. Click Tags to pivot by labels you've applied, such as region, status, or team ownership. Tags are especially powerful for large portfolios. Agree on a consistent tag scheme, and you'll find what you need in seconds. Click Domain to sort by connected addresses and quickly spot staging sites or custom domains. Click Role to group entries by your permission level, which is handy when you're auditing access. On any row, open the three dots menu to reveal more controls. Choose permissions to view and adjust who can access a site and at what level. Apply the principle of least privilege here. Give people just what they need and review periodically. Select Billing to view subscriptions and invoices tied to that project, keeping finance and operations in sync. Go to Settings for general configuration, integrations, and other site-level options you might need to standardize across teams. You'll also see options to duplicate website and pin project. Duplicating is great for creating a standardized starting point. Use it to replicate core pages, styles, and settings without rebuilding from scratch. Pinning keeps priority projects at the top of your dashboard, reducing search time for the sites you touch every day. And yes, there's delete. Use it carefully. Before you remove a project, confirm ownership, data retention needs, and any downstream dependencies like connected domains or email. When you're ready to start something new, try Squarespace Blueprint AI from the organization dashboard. It helps you outline a site based on prompts, producing a thoughtful starting structure and content. You remain in control. Treat it as a draft to refine, not a final product. From there, click Create Website to launch a new project. You'll be offered different starting paths. Explore a blank template if you want total creative control and your own system of sections and styles. Check out Build Your Own Template to assemble a framework quickly with reusable blocks while still keeping flexibility. Or browse Squarespace templates to start with a professionally designed layout tailored to common use cases. Clicking into each option is a great way to evaluate what fits your workflow, whether you're standardizing across an organization or crafting a bespoke build. That's the tour. Use the dashboard for overview, the views for quick drill downs, the table headers for fast sorting, the three dots menu for precise admin actions, and the creation tools to kick off projects efficiently. With these moves, you'll navigate the Squarespace Enterprise Organization dashboard confidently and keep your portfolio running smoothly.